Hey there, before you scroll, let me tell you something. Sometimes a single book, a single idea is enough to change the entire direction of your life. And today you might just find that one. In this video, we are going to explore 2 psychology books, 2 self-improvement books, and 2 financial books. Books chosen not just to inspire you, but to transform the way you think, the way you live, and the way you build your future. And at the very end, I'll reveal one powerful bonus book, a book that has changed millions of lives and might become the turning point in yours too. So stay with me till the end. Maybe today is the day you discover the idea that starts your next chapter. Number 1, Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. This book helps you understand how your mind works, why you react fast at some moments and overthink at others. When you understand your own thoughts, you start making better decisions and feel more confident and calm in life. Number 2, The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. This book teaches a simple truth. Your daily habits shape your future. Small changes, even tiny ones, can slowly build a completely new version of you. Number 3, Atomic Habits by James Clear. You don't need big changes. You just need to get 1% better every day. This book gives simple, practical steps to grow consistently and break the patterns that hold you back. Number 4, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson. Life becomes lighter when you stop caring about everything. This book helps you focus only on what truly matters and let go of unnecessary stress and opinions. Number 5, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book changes the way you think about money. It teaches smart thinking, smart choices, and how to build a strong financial future, even if you're starting small. Number 6, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Money is not just knowledge, it's behavior. This book teaches patience, discipline, and how to build wealth slowly, steadily, and peacefully. The bonus book is Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl. This book is different from any other book you'll ever read. It's not just about success or habits, it's about understanding life itself. Frankl went through unimaginable suffering, yet he discovered something powerful. When you have a purpose, a reason to move forward, you can survive anything. This book gives you perspective, strength, and a deeper understanding of your own journey. It's the kind of book that stays with you long after you finish reading it. If you've read any of these books before, comment below and tell me which one helped you the most. And if this video gave you even a little push, comment, I'm starting my reading journey today. And before you scroll, just remember this. The Inspire Path is still a small channel, but it's bigger than just a channel. Every big journey starts from zero, and one day we'll look back and see how far we came together. So if you felt even a small spark today, make sure to subscribe to the Inspire Path and let's grow together, brick by brick.